The story example file for Hamlet is now loaded throughout the Dramatica software. But the question might arise, why do you want to even bother with examples anyway? What good are they going to do for you and your story? Well, for one thing, if you load any old story example, you can go through feature by feature and see exactly what a professional in Dramatica theory and software has done in terms of story structure and storytelling. And in this way, you get a really good idea about how the Dramatica software works and what you're going to need to do in it. Secondly, if you load up an example that's similar to the story you want to tell, then step by step you can get creative ideas by seeing what was done with the storytelling in the example. Also, you can get some story structuring ideas for how you might want to put your structure together for the story you have in mind. Finally, there's a little known trick you can use with the example files that's really useful. If you go up above the Help button, there's a menu bar item called Storytelling. You can't see it on this video right now, but if you click on that menu item, one of the options is Clear Storytelling. And if you select that option, then all of the storytelling information in the example file will be removed, leaving only the structure behind. Now you can build your own story on that very same proven structure with the confidence that the underlying foundation will create the kind of story you want to tell. Storytelling is copyrightable because it's an artistic expression, but story structure is not because it's just the underlying logistics of the story. So you can go through point by point and hang your own storytelling on that proven structure to create your own classic. One final note on that. When you make changes to an example file, Dramatica will not let you save it under the same name. This is because the example files are protected. They're read-only. So, in order to save the work you've done, you'll need to go up to the File menu item and select Save As or Save a Copy. Then you can open that new file that you've saved and continue to work from there.